Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to use MackinVIA to research. So first, make sure you have the MackinVIA app. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Manager. Click Sign In. Where to school library name, type in Coppell Middle School North. It should be right there. Make sure it says North. And then your user ID should be the same one that you use for Schoology. So type that in. And I'll take you to the home page. MackinVIA is where you can check out ebooks if you'd like, or audiobooks. There's also videos and such. Mainly what we're going to do for our research is use databases and groups. So I want you guys to go to groups, and you are going to scroll down and find where it says 6th ELAR Segregation Lions of Little Rock. And this group essentially has all of your research topics that we talked about. And it's already compiled some links and helpful information for you guys. For our example, we are going to be looking at Jim Crow. So there's already a section called Jim Crow, which will take you to this brain pop. So you can click that to open it. But we are actually going to go to where it says Britannica School Edition. Britannica is an online encyclopedia, and an encyclopedia is what we are going to use for researching. Once you click on Britannica School, click on Middle, because we're in middle school. At the top here, click the search, and you are going to type in Jim Crow Law, because that's what we're researching for our example today. Now, what's going to pop up is a brief summary of what Jim Crow laws are, and we are going to go over this as a class to fill out your Cornell notes example for today. So please make sure you watch this video to get to this database, and then you are going to be taking notes over Jim Crow laws in your Google Doc.